Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I do nail videos. I subscribe to the Your Nail Lab subscription box by Makartt, which is a monthly subscription box for $35. For a limited time, you can get 25% off your first box with code BF25. First up, we have this gel liner. It is called Pink Carnation, and it is a light pink color. I already have this pink liner, so I'm going to put this one in the goodie box to give away. Next up are these press-on nails, and I don't really do press-on nails, so I'm also going to put these in the giveaway box. And we got a gel polish. This one is called Key Lime, and it's a very pretty pale green. I do not have this one, so happy to add that to my collection. And then we have another gel polish. This one is called Cafe, and it is a super pretty nude. This goes well with my skin tone, so I'm really going to use this one. And then we have some glitters, a bunch of different glitter mixes. These look perfect for the holidays. So for New Year's Eve as well as Christmas. So you can see we have some golds, we have a rose gold in there, and then some silvers. Next up is a Polygel, and I'm not even going to pronounce this one. So let me open this for you. When you sign up for the box, they have a survey that you can answer some questions so they can tailor the box to you. I tried to tailor it for acrylics, but I keep getting polygel. So I think I'm going to cancel and then redo my subscription. So hopefully I'll start getting acrylics instead of polygels. It's not that I don't do polygels. I just prefer acrylic or dip powder. So this one is a clear with some iridescent, looks like almost iridescent greenish, goldish color to it. Let's squeeze it out here so you can see it a bit. It'll be great for an accent nail. So we also got another polygel, and this one is called Lily of the Valley, and it looks to be a pink. Here, let me open it. I always have a tough time opening these up. There we go. And yes, it's a pretty pink. So this would be good for a French manicure. And finally, we have a polygel brush and spatula combo. So there's the gel brush, and you can use it on regular gel too. It comes stiff, so you'll have to loosen it up and clean it a bit. And then the spatula side. I don't normally use the spatula when I do it. I usually use the brush side. So there's everything that I got for this month's Your Nail Lab in a box. It's a super, super good deal at $35. I will continue to get them. Like I said, I'll probably go on, unsubscribe, and then resubscribe to try to get the acrylic version of this kit. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys.